Welcome guys, today I'm with Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your iPhone. So at the first, just remember to charge the speaker before pairing at least to the 30, 40 or 50%. Right here you'll find the USB-C input. You can plug here, right here the cable, and the battery indicator you'll find right here. So right now, just simply power on the speaker by using this gold button. So click and hold it for 2 seconds. Right now, as you can see, the device is turned on. So we have to move this speaker to the pairing mode. Click and hold this Bluetooth button until this red indicator starts blinking quickly. Let's make it right now. Right now, just release. Open the settings on your iPhone. Go for the Bluetooth settings. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, our speaker is right here, so we can tap on it once. And as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. When you go for the information button, you will find the device name, the device type. You can also disconnect or forget this device. But yeah, that's how you can connect this Marshall speaker to your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.